Ever wish ChatGPT could escape the browser and quietly do your work on your own computer while you sleep? That's basically what Claudebot is, a personal AI assistant that lives on your machine and behaves like a tireless digital coworker. Instead of being stuck inside one app, you talk to it on WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Slack, even iMessage. To you, it just feels like chatting. But behind the scenes, it's logging context, remembering your preferences, and quietly building a second brain around how you work. Here's where it gets wild. Claudebot doesn't just answer questions, it can actually do things. It can control your browser, fill forms, grab data from websites, read and write files, run scripts, and automate boring tasks you normally put off forever. Think, unsubscribe from all these emails, clean up this folder, pull my analytics, and send me a summary every morning. And it just does it. Because it runs on your own computer, your data stays with you, not locked in someone else's cloud. You choose the models, you choose what it can access, and you can sandbox it or give it full superpowers depending on how brave you feel. On top of that, it has skills and plugins, little abilities it can install and chain together. You can add community skills for things like calendars, emails, home automation, and more. Or you can ask the AI to help you build new ones just by describing what you want. Over time, it stops feeling like a chatbot and more like an operating system for your life. People are already using Claudebot to draft emails, manage projects, debug code, spin up websites, organize documents, even run parts of their business while they're away from the keyboard. It's like having a super nerdy coworker who never sleeps, never forgets, and is weirdly excited to handle the tasks you hate. And here's the twist. The more you talk to it, the more it learns your world. So one day you'll ask, what did we decide about that idea last week? And your AI lobster coworker will remember, summarize, and take action before you finish your coffee. If you want me to spin up my own Claudebot and show it live, wiring it into my real apps and automations, hit like, drop a lobster in the comments, and tell me the first job you'd give to your AI assistant.